Hey guys, and I just want to introduce you to my little puppy. His name's Sniffles. Say hi. Come on. Hi. Okay. But I might be uploading a challenge very soon. I might be doing a gaming video or a challenge video or just some kind of video. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and he will too, maybe. Well, he'll see you in other videos, won't you? But see you guys, and peace.